You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this famous brand name of motorcycles from the United States, Milwaukee, I believe they made. Let me know otherwise in the comments if you want to learn more names of motorcycles and brand names that are confusing. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. Harley. The Americans would say Harley. Okay, it's not Harley. Harley, you could spell it double E at the end rather than EY. Harley Davidson. Yes, it's not Davidson. David, as in David, and the son of David. Davidson. Harley Davidson. It's easy, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More motorcycles coming up here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.